Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create blogs for your Shopify store. Blogs are very important for your Shopify store because blogs can drive traffic from the search engines. So it's a type of content marketing. Creating good content for your related to your products in Shopify can bring traffic to your website, as well as it will help you to increase the ranking for your products. To get started, you need to have a blog post ready. So I have created a blog post which is having SEO friendly keywords as well as the titles and other details. Okay, so the second thing is that you can just go to your Shopify admin panel. From there you can just click on online store and you can just click on the blog post and you can just click on the create blog post. And here you need to add the title of the blog. Okay, so I'm going to copy the title of the blog and paste it here, and after that you can just add the contents for the blog. Okay, so I'm going to copy the content part and paste it here. Okay, so this is the first thing what you have to do. So the second thing is that you need to make sure that you are having headings within the blog post. Okay, so the H1 to H6 tags are important for SEO. So what you can do is you can make the titles with SEO friendly keywords and you can just make them as heading tags. Okay, so I'm going to format this one as H2 tag and this one also H2 tag. So I'm going to add the H2 tag for all my titles. Okay, you can also make this H3 or H4 as you like. Okay, so the imported keyword can be within the H1 tag and H2 for the next level of keywords and so on. Okay, so you have completed adding the heading tags for your blog post. Okay, and the third thing is that you need to add the links to your products pages. Okay, so this blog is related to the product called multi-location snowboard. Okay, so what I can do is I can just copy the link of the product. Okay, I can just copy the link of the product and I can just link it with this post. Okay, wherever required. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. After that I'm also going to mention it here. Okay, so I have just added links to this pages. Okay, this products page in my blog post. Okay, and you can also mention the title. Okay, so for example your product name is multi-location snowboard, you can also mention it here, which will help you to increase the SEO ranking. Okay, so this is the thing. And after that so you have done two things now. Okay, you have added the H1 tag as well as the links to the products page. Okay, now the third thing is to add images to your blog post. Okay, so for that you can just click on the insert image and you can just upload the images from your system, or you can just browse through the images which are available within your website. Okay, within your Shopify store, and you can just add them here. Okay, so I'm going to select few of the images from this. It's always better to have 2 or 3 images for your blog post. Okay, okay, now I have added images for my blog post. Okay, so you have added headings as well as the product links, as well as you have added the images for your blog post. Okay, so the next thing is to upload the featured image. Okay, so you can click on the add image and you can just select the main image or the featured image for your blog post. Okay, and you can just click on this one and add the alt tag. Okay, so in this guys I'm going to add the alt tag as best multi-location snowboard. Okay, and after that I am just saving it, and after that you have to enter the details of the author. If you want to make the changes to the author name, you can just add the name of the author. Next is to select the blog type. Okay, so I'm going to create a new blog type called tips. Okay, and after that I can just add the tags. Okay, I'm just adding the tags. Okay, and now we are done with this session, and after that what you can do is you can just add a small summary about your blog post. Okay, so I'm going to copy the first paragraph, or you can just add the summary of your blog post and you can just enter it here. Okay, And after that you can just see the option called search engine listing preview. So just click on the edit website SEO and you can add the page title, which can be your blog title or the SEO friendly title that you have created. Okay, and after that you can just enter the description, which can also be a SEO friendly description, meta description. And after that you can just enter the handle. After that I'm going to click on save button. Now the blog is saved. Okay, so what you can do is, after saving the blog, you can just click on the preview. Okay, so you can see the blog post here. Okay, so this is the featured image, and after that you can see the title and the name of the author and other details I have mentioned, as well as you can just click on the product. You can see the link to the product page. If you click on this, it will take you to the product details, or people can click on this link to purchase the product. Okay, and you can see the images what you have uploaded. Okay, so now we have created the blog post, and what you can do is you can just link them with your website. Okay, in my case I'm having the menu like home, catalog and contact, so I'm going to link them with the website. Okay, for that you can just click on the content and you can just click on the menus and just click on the main menu, and I can just click on add menu item, and I'm going to name it as blog and just click here, and you can just select the blog what we have created, which is called tips. Okay, and just click on save button. So now what you can do is you can also make it like after the catalog. So just drag this one and place it here and click on save. After that you can just refresh your website, and now you can see the blog section. Okay, now just click on the blog section and you will be able to see your blog which is listed here. Okay, so now we have created the blog called tips, and you can just add more tip related blog posts here. Okay, so this is how you can create the blog posts and link them with your Shopify store. So after creating the blog, what you can do is you can just share the links within your social media like Facebook, or you can also send them as email newsletters and others. Okay, and this can increase your SEO ranking and traffic from the search engines. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.